Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, and it's a binary puzzle in the additional of yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 9th, 2021. And this binary puzzle will be number 2142. Yes, 2142. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means that in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here O, there no. 4 O's we have here in this column. So the rest are ones. Then between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. So now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's in this row, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes an 1. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow. This is a quick binary puzzle. Yes, never solve this in 2 minutes. I'm very surprised. Alright, I like this one. I like this binary. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last Sudoku, and it will be a tectonic one with 1 star. So see you later. Bye bye for now.